In this video, we'll show how the lite-diff extension works in Cursor IDE. Cursor connects via HTTP transport and registers MCP tools in the MCP JSON file inside the Cursor folder. Let's make sure the JSDoc editor extension is installed in Cursor. Let's open the lite-diff panel through the command palette. The panel is open. Now let's start the MCP server. Select Cursor IDE. The server is running on port 6010, registered with Cursor IDE. The Cursor folder has appeared in the Explorer. If port 6010 is busy, you can change it in Settings, Diff Editor MCP port. Now we need to enable the tool in Cursor Settings. Open Settings and go to the Tools and MCP section. Enable the toggle. The indicator is green. We can see lite-diff, 23 tools. Keep in mind, Cursor may reset this toggle after a restart. If the tools stop working, check this first. Close the settings. Let's check if lite-diff is available. We type a query in Cursor chat. Cursor can see all the tools. They're organized by category: UI tools, file operations, help, and the standard workflow, preview, apply. Now let's test it. None of the exported functions in utils.js have JSDoc documentation. Let's ask Cursor to fix that. We're asking Cursor to first learn how lite-diff works, then read utils.js, add JSDoc comments to all exported functions, and create a preview. Cursor starts by reading the lite-diff instructions. It requests permission to run lite-diff help. We allow it. Now Cursor wants to read the utils.js file. We allow it. Cursor has studied the lite-diff format and the file contents. It found 5 exported functions: format username, is valid email, calculate age, fetch user data, and save user. It builds the patch and requests permission to create a preview. We allow it. The preview is created. 1 file, 5 hunks, all with no errors. Cursor shows a table of the JSDoc comments added to each function, parameters, return values, and throws tags for functions with error handling. In the editor, we can see the patch with the added JSDoc blocks. Each hunk is marked with a green check mark. All 5 hunks are selected, no errors. We click Apply. Done. In the status bar, applied 5 hunks to 1 file. All changes have been applied. Let's open the utils.js file and look at the result. We can see JSDoc comments on fetch user data and save user with param, returns, and throws tags. That's it. Let's stop the MCP server. When stopped, the extension removes the entry from MCP JSON and frees up the port.